Hello everyone, in this video I will explain to you how to add a second account in the Twitter X application without logging out of your main account. First, click on the circle at the top left. Then we click on the circle at the top right. As you can see, there are two options, create a new account or add an existing account. I will click on add an existing account. Here I am asked to add the phone number, email address or username for the account. I will add the username of the account. Then I will click on Next. Now it asks me to add my Twitter X account password. Now I will click on Login. Here I will click on Cancel. Now the second Twitter X account has been added and I now have two accounts on the app. If you want to switch between the two accounts, you will click on the circle at the top left and the second account will appear. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.